Truman's X-ray. Hi, Truman. How are you doing?
This thing, right?
Yep, that's the stuff. Yep.
And have you ever given medication?
No, not really.
He actually takes it pretty well since he's very friendly. So
Okay.
so it'll be a demonstration. So this is the medicine. I'm pretty sure it's
No.
Oh well, this is what we've been giving him. This is an anti-inflammatory and also a sedative so that it's a little less painful in his foot.
Now, when do I need to continue doing this? Like a few days, for a few weeks? Like what are we?
For 5 days.
5 days.
Starting today.
Okay.
So he already got his dose in the morning, so I'm not gonna give it again. He had it at 9 o'clock, so you might want to give it.
In the morning, evenings?
Yeah, like 9 o'clock tonight. So every 12 hours.
Okay.
Just like,
Before, with food, without food, before, after?
it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
So, the 1 milliliter syringe. And it's going to be 0.5 milliliters. CC is the same as milliliters.
Please fill it up to half.
Yeah, just half the syringe. Like that. Okay. I'm just going to show you how friendly it is. Just like that.
It's got to be on the left side. I mean, facing us, his right side. Is there any risk of aerating them?
No.
Because I know with baby birds, you do it on the wrong side, they kill them.
No. He's old enough so that it won't affect him like that.
Which side are you supposed to put it on?
For an adult bird like this or a juvenile bird. For a baby bird, you have to kind of put it on either side. But for him, like you put it on top of his tongue and he'll like drink it up like it's water.
Okay.
So just he's already used to it.
Okay, and okay, that sounds easy enough. Okay, well we'll see how he does.
Yeah, I'm not gonna call anything, coverage or anything like that tonight.
Okay, great. Thank you. Go, Truman. Hungry? Feeding Truman spinach and a calcium-rich diet to help his bones heal.